second time. The grass at Auschwitz is soft and green, inviting you to kneel and kiss it. It no longer smells of gas, and neither is it flecked with gray by the chimney. It is as green as breath issuing through the soil.
Auschwitz la seconda volta. Bella e verdeggiante l'erba di Auschwitz ti invita a inginocchiarti ed a abbracciarla. Non ha più l'odore del gas e non è più bagnata dalle macchie grigie del camino, verde, colore del fiato esalato dalla terra.
The book. Tomorrow, open the old book your mother gave you. Mind, open it carefully. From between pages, a dawn will emerge, unlike any you've ever seen. Once the sun's risen, get up, walk about that old book your mother gave you. You'll find between pages hills to climb, rivers to forge, and gather a fistful of red soil. Halfway through the book, you'll meet the sea. Now don't be scared of it, don't. There is land still. Look, there on the page you'll be turning before the wave comes. And I will be there on the edge of the rocks, waiting with bread and water, waiting to welcome you, embrace, hold your hand. We shall walk, tell each other stories, stories collected in a book ages born. The next page on. When we get to my home, we spread out that precious red fistful of soil, place within it a seed, gently water it. Low on the horizon our sun is now. Turn the page. We look at the moon and wait. And just as we are closing the book, a tree springs to life, firm and verdant from the seed, from the soil, flourishing between pages, pages of the old book that our mother gave us.